In this video, we will learn how to use @mention in new Outlook. So let's start. Open your new Outlook, and here I'm going to write one email. Just click on the new email message. Okay, and here I just write good morning. Okay, then I write here, would you be able to meet on Monday? Then I mention here @ shift plus @ you can see all the email list show here. Now you can easily select the email ID those you want. With here you can see on to is automatically add the email ID of that person, same as again I use the @. Now I select this PNG take. Now you can see here also automatically added the email address. You can edit here, you can remove the, I just Control Z, you can remove the some name, second name, and you can just show here the first name. Okay, so again I just remove all, and again I show you @ I select this name, and I just remove here the second name. Okay, now I just set, and here also you can see the email ID is added. So this is a way you can use the @ mention. I just add the subject here, meeting. Now I just click on the send. Okay, now I just refresh this. Okay, I just go to the view and sync and wait for the email, and you can see here the email is received @ meeting. Here @ is showing when someone mention you, mention you, that time on email you see the @ showing on here, received email. Okay, and here you can in filter also you can search for that. Just click on the filter, and you can just select @ mention me, and you can see the selected the mention mail, @ mention mail is filter. Okay, so this is a way you can use this @ mention. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.